Hi, I'm Norman from Get Set Up. When you eat, do you think about the types of things you're choosing? Do you think about the effect that those things will have on your health and on your body? This class, Steps to Better Nutrition, will try to identify things you might be doing now without even thinking about them that are probably not helping your nutrition and not giving your body the things that it needs. We will talk about some simple steps you can do to have more nutrition in your life, better nutrition, and to eat healthier in general. More importantly, we will also discuss how making these changes can really positively affect your life and really help you to feel good and to stay well. And who doesn't want that? So please join us for this class. I think you'll find it very helpful and very informational. Thank you so much.